Now he's going ahead and spraying the entire interior of the screen enclosure. And then we'll turn around and do the entire exterior of the screen enclosure. That'll remove all mold, mildew, spider webs, you name it, it's gonna be gone. All right, we're all done with the screen enclosure. You can kind of see how beautiful this came out. See, all mold, mildew, residue, you name it, all gone. Still kind of wet. Who I am, my name is Eric Gutierrez. I am the owner of New Wash Power Wash. If you need your pavers done, if you need your roof cleaned, if you need your house washed, if you need your screen enclosure cleaned, you name it, we do it. Give us a call and experience the New Wash difference.